We will use the standard algorithm to find the result of division 117 divided by 6. First, we have table 6, okay? Write table 6 at up to 5. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. Okay? If we need, we will complete. Make line like this. Write the greatest number inside the line, the smallest number outside. We start with the 1, check. The 1 greater than 6, no. We will write 0 and take 1 digit. We have 11. 11 greater than 6, yes. Search for 11 here. 11 between 6 and 12. Take the smallest. Circle, circle. Write 1 up minus 6 down. Write 1 up minus 6 down. We will subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5. And we have 7. Drop 7. 57. Okay, 57 greater than 6. Okay, search for 57, and then we will complete a table. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. Search for 57. 57 between 54 and 60. Take 54, the smallest, a circle about 54 and circle about 9. Write 9 up minus 54 down. Subtract 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. And then a remainder will be 3. But then the answer is 19 or 3. The quotient 19 and the remainder 3.